welcome back to my channel. My name is Shay. I am a full-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari.
I'm Tyler, delightful husband, part-time seller on eBay, Mercari, Poshmark.
And today we are doing a ThredUp unboxing, which we haven't done in a really long time.
Yeah.
I have actually been stalking the ThredUp website looking for the designer mystery box because one of you guys had asked me to do one of those in the comments.
Again, didn't you learn your lesson?
But it was a request. But unfortunately, I have not been able to find it. I'm probably not stalking hard enough. But I know somebody else on my comments does like the men's ThredUp boxes. So I decided to do one of those for you. Hopefully it's something good. We are moving a little bit more into the men's category as of late.
I mean, you've also had some decent luck with the men's boxes. You've been able to get out of the last, I don't know if you've done more than one.
I think I've only done one.
You were able to get out of it.
I believe so. So we're going to see how it is. But if you like reseller content, if you like unboxings, hauls, what solds, all that kind of stuff, make sure you subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so you're notified every time we post new videos. Apparently, YouTube is not letting you guys know if videos are posted unless you have that notification bell clicked, so make sure you do that. And please give this video a big thumbs up so that we know that you want us to do more ThredUp unboxings, and also comment. These comments really, really help YouTube know that they should be promoting this video, and we need all the help we can get. So if you really like this and you want to see more of these, make sure that you're doing that. Tell us what your favorite item is for the box. That will be super helpful. So, looks like he's already
I'm getting into it.
Ripped the tape. So let's see
let's
what
crack on. Oh, straight out of the gate, starting strong.
Oh, that's actually pretty good. Starter jackets are good.
NHL jacket. That's straight 90s.
I mean, I know nothing about sports and stuff like that, but I do think those are pretty good.
I mean, it's
size large.
It's hockey. It's the Blues.
I mean, it's not our team, but
no, but it's starters.
Yeah,
so
I think that's
happy
cool.
with that. John Varvatos.
So we see that in the thrift store quite a bit. I know nothing about it, but it's just a plain black button-up. It's a size medium. I wanted to see
nice
what
material.
Yeah, I was going to see what it was. It's a silk blend, so 75% silk and 25% cotton. So it's a nice button-up, and there doesn't appear to be anything wrong with it. So hey, I mean,
starting off strong.
Yeah.
Third up. Newer tags, J. Crew.
Okay. Is it J? Oh, it's regular J. Crew too. It's J. Crew Ludlow.
Yep. 14.5-inch necks by 33.
It still has a plastic thingy in for the collar.
So yeah, that's a smaller gentleman.
Smaller than you? I mean, that doesn't say much.
go straight to hell. So yeah, mine is usually 18.5, 19-inch neck, but
yeah, so I mean, brand new. I mean, it's literally must have come out of a box or something. Yeah. By the way, it's folded. What do we have here? Oh, Ralph Lauren.
Custom fit.
Ralph Lauren does actually pretty well on eBay. So
it's small.
And it looks very summery. Like, what is that kind of material? What would you call that?
It's the
It's textured. I just don't know what to call it.
There's a technical term for it. It's like that Vineyard Vines.
Yeah, if you guys know, here, I'll show you up close. I don't know what it's called.
You've told me this before.
I do know. I'll have to do more Googling, but here you go. So it's size small. But yeah, it's that cool textured material. We can't, for the life of us, come up with the word, but you guys probably know.
More newer tags.
Oh, okay. New tags work.
Tommy Hilfiger, size medium.
Okay, I really, honestly, haven't really sold much of this brand, but with a new tags item, I'm willing to give it a shot. And it's kind of cute. Little pocket tee here. Cute.
This is U.S. Polo Association, size medium.
I mean, it's still cute. I mean, look at this plaid. Okay. I don't hate that. Size medium, there you go. Okay. LuLaRoe has men's. I did not know that.
It's a double XL. So that would be big on me.
I mean, it's comfy.
It's comfy, but it would
so
be...
I've never sold LuLaRoe.
On principle?
No, not well. I mean, but no, just I've never known anything that was good from them. I think I kind of came into the reselling game after that phase. But it's cute and it's comfy, and plus size does do pretty well, and it's pretty large. So,
darling, it's a double XL. 5'4". I've heard of that before. Size small, just a regular button up.
Just a regular button up. I mean, it looks nice. If you guys know this brand, leave it in the comments. Let me know. Don't know. More 5'4".
Yeah, 5'4". Nick Wooster.
Wooster.
It's how people think Worcester is spelled.
But it's not.
Yeah, it's a small 36 to 38.
Okay. I mean, guys, what is 5'4"? Let me
I don't know,
know.
but it's a flannel.
You want a flannel. He's sitting here looking at the box going, is there any flannels for me?
More 5'4".
Okay.
So we're going to find out what 5'4" is.
I guess so. We're about to learn a new brand.
New at tags, size small, button up.
Okay. Does that have...
It's all 5'4".
Maybe 5'4" is like a boutique or something? I don't know. But yeah, this is the 5'4" box. So...
5'4" Nick Wooster, another small button up.
All right, who donated their 5'4" inventory? Who did it? Let me know. Oh, I know that brand.
First of a kind.
I've sold that brand before.
They're special.
They are, okay, so First of a Kind, I believe, is an LF brand. If I remember correctly, it's been a while since I sold them. But guys, okay, these are camo pants. If we can see
With
them.
red stripes.
Look at these stripes. Now, they need to be depilled. But what is going on? And then the bottoms here. Are these men's?
I can't imagine a man wearing these, but...
I don't see a size. Oh, hold on. Mutcher 2. Mutcher. What the heck is Mutcher?
It's a person's name, darling.
Oh. Will, sorry. I don't see a size on these. So,
I can't imagine that a guy would be caught dead in these, but...
we're going to do some research on those. The only other First of a Kind I sold was a sweater. And it was a woman's. But, yeah, those are something.
Aeropostale.
New tags, and it's summer. So
New tags, 36, so not a terrible size.
I don't think these will do bad because it's summertime and people are looking for that. So, okay. All right. I'm not hating it.
Banana Republic 32.
Those are factories, so we'll see. But hey, we've gotten some good stuff in here, so we can't have them all winners.
J. Crew shorts 34s.
These are cute.
Nice.
Cute
Nice.
summery. These are factory as well, but
Nice pattern.
not
Nice
your
summer.
size there, bud.
They're not my size.
But yeah, they're cute though. Summery, cuffed hem, cute.
Khaki cargos, U.S. Polo 36.
And these aren't as cute.
Not as cute.
Yeah, they're just regular khakis. They are what they are. But they are size 36. Nike Golf.
Nike Golf, size 40.
I have been told that Nike Golf does well. I have not personally. I think I sold one other thing. I think it came from like a Goodwill Blue Box. Previous. But I don't know. They're cute. I like them. Summer again, so on season.
Clip-on tie.
Remember when we got the McDonald's clip-on tie?
Like an actual McDonald's manager tie.
Yeah. I don't know what this is, but
It's sunglasses. Clip-on. Doesn't have a brand.
Well, there's an RN number. I could possibly look that up and post it on the screen for them to see. But yeah, it's just a clip-on. There we go. If it's important, I'll share it. If it's not, then it won't be there.
Platinum Designs tie. So a couple ties.
Okay. I mean, I don't know anything about selling ties, but maybe we can collect some ties for Tyler to have if we ever need it for fanciness.
I mean, this is a silk tie.
I like silk.
Xylos Gold George Machado.
Yeah, so there's that. I mean, it's fancy. It's like something you'd wear to a wedding, I feel like.
Antonio Baldan cravat, which
In
is
plastic?
yeah. I know cravat is tie, but
So Antonio tie?
yeah, basically.
There we go. I don't know.
Ooh.
Oh. Nice.
Waterproof
High
boots, high tech, size 13.
Alright.
So these I could theoretically fit in a pinch.
So, I mean, they look nice. They're in good condition.
They're basically new.
So, I don't know this brand. Do you know this brand?
Not off the top of my head, but waterproof is a big thing.
Yeah, there's a little bit of scuffing on the toe here. But
Right.
it's not too bad. And other than that, they look pretty good.
I mean, they look basically new.
Yeah,
Other
so.
than a slight couple of scuffs, but.
Hey, I'll take it.
Bourbon County, the original brand.
Jean
this is
jacket?
Goose Island.
It's cute. Nice jean jacket here. Okay. Alright, so here's the brand tag. It's a size medium. Okay. Hey. Cute. I don't know this brand, so I'm excited to learn it.
Diesel. Addie Lark.
Diesel feels like something I wore when I was like in high school.
I mean, their size. What size are they? 33.
Okay.
Made in Italy.
Yeah, I feel like I wore these when I was in like high school. So maybe it has some nostalgia to them. They're kind of just not really distressed, but they have this like wrinkled look. Now I don't know how to explain it, but they're not bad. No flaws that I see.
Express. Henley.
Okay.
Size.
New tags.
New tags. Size small.
All right. Here we go. New tags. So a lot of new tags in this box. So that's good. That definitely has to help.
Nike sandals.
Those are like brand new.
Yeah, they're in good shape.
Size 13.
Size 11.
It says US 13 right here.
Did they send us two of the wrong size?
Wait, are they? Yeah, they're two different sizes, guys. One's 13, one's 11. Look at this. So those aren't sellable.
Less enthused about that.
Yeah, I was really excited about that, and then that was a letdown. I don't know. Is this something that you would reach out to thread over, or just let it be? Because those would probably be one of the highest priced items in the box, and yeah, you can't do anything with those. You can't even if you bought them to wear the items, you can't because.
I mean, I could totally wear them because.
Well, one's 13 and one's 11.
Yeah, and I'm normally a 12, so it splits the difference. It'll be fine. Chaps, extra large, Henley style top.
Okay, so that's cute. That kind of took the wind out of my sails.
Adidas Golf, size small.
Purple.
Purpley.
It's very purple.
Very purple.
So there's that. All right. I mean, I like the 90s vibe of this.
H&M blazer.
Okay.
Size 38 regular.
All right, so that's nice. Shoulder pads, cute. There you go.
Sons of bitches.
Yeah, that one is a little bit of a kind of depressing.
We're gonna have words about this one.
It's just they're so cute, and I feel like they would have done well, but yeah, I can't sell them like this.
I have a new pair of sandals, I guess.
So thread up, come on! You could have given us the same sizes, or just not sent them at all.
Send something else that we could try to sell.
Yeah. Anyways, that's what we have. So let us know what you guys thought. I think overall, minus the missized shoes, it's gonna be a decent box. We'll make our money back. I don't know.
I mean, I think you could probably get some decent money for the boots.
Are those the same size? I hope.
13.
Woo! Okay, so yeah, that is what we have. So thank you guys so much for watching. We are going to be back really soon with a new video. If you have a suggestion on a video you would like to see, do let us know in the comments below. We'd love to take your suggestions. So thank you guys so much for watching.
Thank you all for watching.